Are you looking ways to start making money online?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Affiliate marketing is a great way to start making money online, but how do you start without any money?
Is that possible?
In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing without spending any of your own money so that you can see if this is the right fit for you. If not, no worries. There are a lot of other ways to start making money online. But if this sounds like something interesting to you and will fit your lifestyle, then keep watching this video to the end where we're going to show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing with no money. And our video starts now. Hi there, I'm Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. I also run a blog website with the same name, Utilize Your Business. They're both all about affiliate marketing. In this video, I will share how affiliate marketing works and how anybody can get started with affiliate marketing with no upfront cost or with no technical knowledge. And I also be providing some tips on how effectively to promote the products you're promoting so that you don't have to worry about how much money they are making for you, or are they making enough money for you. So let's talk about affiliate marketing and how does it work. Affiliate marketer earns commission by promoting someone else's product or services. As a affiliate marketer, you sign up with a company as an affiliate. They provide you with the link which is associated with your affiliate ID, and you promote the products, services. And when somebody clicks on the link that the company has provided to you and buys the product, you earn the commission. So this is a short way of saying what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Now let's talk about why affiliate marketing is a great way of making money online. There are many reasons why affiliate marketing is a great way to start online business. First is you don't have to invest your own money. All you need to do is sign up as an affiliate for a product and promote that product and earn commission. Second of all, it's a fantastic way to attract traffic and become an expert in an area or in a niche that you are interested in. And finally, affiliate marketing is a great way to start earning income while you're learning online business. So now you know about what affiliate marketing is and why is it great to start learning about affiliate marketing to start making money on online business. First of all, what you need to do is you need to find a niche that you're interested in and start finding a product in that niche and start promoting those products. Now, what is the niche? There are three types of niche. First is wealth, health, and relationship. Now you're gonna know as yourself which of these three are you interested in. Are you interested in wealth, making money? And from there you can narrow it down to a sub niche, because wealth, there are a lot more people who are experienced enough that are already running in that business, and it's more competitive. As you niche down, they'll become less competitive, I mean. So let's look at the wealth. So from wealth, you can narrow down to how you can accumulate money. Is it through stock market? Is it through real estate? Is it through online? From online, there are a lot of different ways you can earn money. You can be an affiliate marketer, or you could have the online products, the software, the SaaS products. And from there, which people are you targeting on online you're interested in? As a beginner, I'm targeting, my channel is specifically for beginner affiliate marketer, people who are just starting with affiliate marketer. You could have a channel based on a beginners. You can pick anything you're interested in. Somebody who's into gardening, or beginners gardening, or somebody who's into the for that matter fashion and all that. So there are a lot of different ways that you can start picking a niche, and the tip is the more niche you narrow it down, easier for you to become successful as a starter in affiliate marketing, where you don't have to spend a lot of money. If your niche you picked is more competitive, you will have to spend money to overcome other people who are making money, and these people are experienced and are spending money. So you need to outspend them. That's not what the idea is behind this video. The idea is how to start affiliate marketing with no money. Now, the other way for you to start in affiliate marketing is you can have websites. Now, with a website, it does come so with a little bit of investment, but the investment is not as big as you think of it. All you need is domain name and domain web hosting. Domain name, you can pretty much get it free. Now, I did the video how to get free domain name. Those domain names you can get it if you're signed up with the some of the web hosting companies, which provides free domain name as a bonus to sign up with them, such as Bluehost and HostGator. Sign up with them. Make sure when you pick the domain name, it should be relevant to the industry or niche that you picked in. And there are a lot of plugins that you need, and most as a start, most of the plugins you can get it free. So that's a plus point of starting a affiliate website on WordPress. And with a small investment, you can check out the Bluehost or HostGator. I'll put the link in. See what the pricing is. With a minimum of $2 so per month, you can have the web hosting and from these companies and have it up and running. Now, the next step that comes in is once you become an affiliate of the product, you picked a niche, you sign up with all these different companies as an affiliate marketer, and you have your website set up. How to have people come into your website. Now, there are a lot of different ways you can have traffic coming to your website, or have traffic going to a specific products with your affiliate ID, the link they gave it to you, right? You can promote it on social media, such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok these days, right? So now all of these does require time on your behalf, because we are offsetting the money part with the time. We're going to be spending a lot more time. So you'll be spending time on the social media promoting these products, or becoming part of the group of these of the specific niche that you're interested in, and have a conversation going with other people. YouTube these days, you can do a YouTube short videos, like a 1 minute long, so you don't have to worry about, like I'm doing this video, which is 10 minutes, 20 minutes long. It does require a little bit more work, but you can do a short 1 minute video on TikTok, YouTube short, Instagram reels and all, and start promoting your product. Also remember, when you do all of these at the start, it does require you to input a lot of time, because time is in your side. You're going to be spending a lot more time in setting up websites, doing a lot of social media content and all of that. Now, in return, what you will get is start making money from having a commission from your affiliate products, whatever affiliate products that you're promoting it in your niche. And also, that a lot of these companies that do help you sign up for them as affiliate, there's free. There's no cost of you actually buying these specific products before becoming affiliate for these products. And sometimes these companies will give you a lot of assets, such as the emails, the banners, and all that. Now, you can head over to a lot of affiliate platforms, such as Clickbank, ShareSale, and go find the products, because you'll have a lot of different companies under one umbrella, and you can sign up from these companies and become their affiliate very easily. So now you know how to become an affiliate marketer, how to become affiliate for different products, and how to start promoting these products on social media for free. Now, if you want to go a little bit more in depth, I did a video on how to set up your personal profile as a lead capturing, and start making sales for free by using Facebook personal profile. I'll put the link in the description below, where you can click on the link on my video and watch that step-by-step of how to set up the Facebook profile funnel. Now, finally, some tips on how to become successful affiliate marketers. So there are a lot of different ways you can become a successful, but if you follow these tips, you'll be in path to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Be sure to choose a niche that you're interested in. I will spend a lot more time in picking up niche and then narrow it down to a sub niche. The more narrow it is, much easier for you as a beginner affiliate marketer to be successful in that, because there will be a less competition for that. So make sure that first of all you are interested in and you have narrowed it down to sub niche with a less competition. And after that, spend a little bit of time on building a website with a high content of the products that you're talking about. High quality content on the products, whether it be product review or you do a test on the product, how the tests are and all that. And then after that is, you need to have a lot of eyeballs, meaning traffic on the products that you are promoting it. Like I said, these days, social media is everywhere. So you need to be on social media. You need to be spending a lot of time in promoting this product. These days, a lot of people are having successful with just, short 1 minute video, like YouTube short, instant reels, TikTok and all that. Do that and start making short videos. You don't need to, at the start, you don't need to have gadgets, expensive gadgets and all you need is your phone and start making videos on that. So if you start doing that at the start of it, where you don't have a lot of money to invest in affiliate marketing or not money at all, starting doing these steps will start generating you some income. And once you have started generating an income, you should be investing some of them back into the premium tools that will help you further become successful in affiliate marketing, in promoting product. That being said, with a big effort on your part, you mean time you invest as a beginner, and once you start making money and the right tools, you can start making income in the affiliate marketer, and that could be enough for you to translate into a full-time as an affiliate marketer. So let me know in the comment if these tips that I've shown to you how to get started with affiliate marketing without money was an eye-opener for you. So let me know in the comment, and make sure if you like my video to give a thumbs up, and so that other people can also watch my videos. All you need to do is pick a niche that you are interested in and find a product in that niche and start promoting that product through social media or through your friends, whatever groups you're part of, Facebook group, or could be forums, or if you have a YouTube channel, start making videos on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and start promoting these products. Those of you who are interested in learning more about affiliate marketer, why don't you sign up for Legendary Marketers 15-day online business builder challenge? Don't worry, it's not that expensive. It's only $7. I've gone through that program when I was just starting as a business as an affiliate marketer. Now, I also did a video on the 15 days online builder challenge, and I did a blog on those two too. So you can subscribe to my channel and follow my blog and go through this. It is one of the best money that I've invested in, where it teaches me everything about affiliate marketing, how to start promoting the product the right way, how you should approach affiliate marketing, and how you should start making money while promoting affiliate marketing, high ticket items.
Amazing. That's so amazing.
Don't worry about promoting lower ticket products. Worry about promoting high ticket products. That's what affiliate marketing will teach you, how to do that and how to become successful. If you want to follow more tips on affiliate marketing, I'd love for you to be subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified for all the new videos that do come out every week. Don't forget to watch my old videos on affiliate marketer, and as I mentioned, make sure you do go ahead and watch the 15 days online business builder challenge. I did a review on that. I breaks down what the challenge is all about and how you can go through the channel and become successful as an affiliate marketer. Until next week, see you, and I'll do my best to come up with another awesome video, and that you will love it. Bye then.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.